am Stephanie Dreyer, a plant-based meal planning expert and the founder of StephanieDreyer.com, where I help parents bring more ease and joy to their meal times and their meal prep. And today I am talking about, I'm in my kitchen if you haven't noticed, and I'm talking about some fun, delicious, and more importantly, quick and easy meals and snacks you can make with Trader Joe's dips and spreads and sauces in their refrigerated prepared food section. And this is part of like a whole series I've been doing this month about using a little help from the store to make what I call homemade-ish meals. And a homemade-ish meal is something where I've coined the term, I guess, where you're taking a little help from the store using a prepared sauce, frozen foods, any kind of a bagged salad. We did one on the bagged salads a couple weeks ago. That helps you get a meal, a homemade meal on the table. You're still making it at home, but you're using a little help from the store to get a home-cooked meal on the table in about 20 minutes or less. So it really speeds up your meal prep. You know, I do my weekly meal planning. I do my batch cooking every Sunday, but sometimes, I'm sure you can relate if you have kids, that life is busy, and whether it's you're running in at the last minute to do meal prep or you've had a long day and you just don't feel like spending 30 to 40 minutes in the kitchen, these types of foods, prepared foods, can really go a long way to helping you just bring a little bit more ease and fun to your mealtime, which is what I'm all about. I've been on this meal planning journey for over 10 years now with 3 kids who I'm vegan. My oldest is vegetarian. I've got 2 others who eat everything, and my husband is kind of flexitarian. He's been giving up meat now that he's been around me so much. But the point is I know what it's like to struggle with, and there's the telephone, to struggle with different dietary needs, and also just picky kids or kids who have different interests or likes and dislikes. And so trying to get one meal on the table that everyone will eat instead of having to be a short order cook. So that is my goal today, is to show you some quick and easy meals just using some prepared foods. And I'm gonna show you 3 today. If you like what you see in the video, head on over to my website, StephanieDreyer.com. I've got 5 more over there. I'm gonna go through a few right now. The first is my lentil bruschetta. And this is easy. This is a great, and I should mention, I've been featuring Trader Joe's. I'm not getting paid to promote them. They're my favorite store. They've got a ton of plant-based meals, foods, I should say, meals too, that are so fabulous. You don't need to go to a specialty store. They carry a lot of plant-based items that I love, and it's like 2 minutes from my house. So it's super convenient for me. It's the main store I shop for. I love the prices. Of course, I do supplement with some specialty stores here and there to supplement what I'm buying at Trader Joe's, but for the most part, it's the only store I need to shop at. And what I'm showing you though, these are things that you could buy probably at any store. I'm just featuring their brand. So feel free to don't worry if you don't have a Trader Joe's near you. You can find these same prepared foods in your grocery store that's near you. So first thing for the lentil bruschetta, you need some steamed lentils, or if you have canned lentils, if you can't find steamed, I love these. They're ready to eat. They're the little black ones. And then this is the refrigerated bruschetta. Whoops, yikes. This is the refrigerated bruschetta sauce. They also have one in the, the canned section of the store. This is my favorite because it's the refrigerated. And my kids love bruschetta, so this is a really great way to get some extra protein. My vegetarian Gabby, she's not a huge lover of the faux proteins, plant-based proteins, which is good, I guess. We don't eat those all the time, but we eat a lot of beans and lentils and tofu and chickpeas and things like that. So this is a great one. And this is something my whole family likes, and I serve it with, you're gonna need cucumbers, or actually you could serve it with whatever you want. Cucumbers, and I have pita chips here ready to go. And this is, I'm showing you how to make it into a dip, but you can also make it into a salad, or you could make it into a wrap. So you could fold it into a wrap. So I just take the lentils. Couldn't be easier, you guys. Literally just putting them into a bowl. Couldn't be easier. And then we spoon the sauce in there. You could add stuff to this too if you want to make it fancy. Like my kids love Kalamata olives, so you could do that. We could spoon some Kalamata olives in there. Kick it up a notch. When I make this a salad, what I do is I serve it over arugula. I love arugula. It's a great green and it's different. And what I do is I arrange the arugula on a plate and I add a little bit of chopped cucumber. You can add, like I said, a couple of some sliced olives. And then I'm breaking up. What I'm doing is the lentils are kind of smushed together. So I'm just breaking those up in here and mixing the bruschetta in. You could also add in some fresh chopped basil. I'm making this super fancy, but really this is like the easiest thing you could do, and you've got to like, this is a great actually summer party dip because it's got protein. It can sit by the pool out in the sun because there's no dairy in it. There's nothing that's gonna sit and go bad and whatever. So I'm just spooning this in here. There, that took me like 3 minutes, right? Really easy dip. Like I said, if you wanna make it into a salad, put it over arugula with some chopped cucumber, some chopped olives, fresh basil, however you wanna do your salad, put a little scoop of that on top. If you wanna make it into a wrap, spread some hummus on a tortilla with some greens, some sliced cucumber, some of this, some avocado would also be great on top. But again, I'm just showing you how to make a really simple, easy, quick dip. So that's number one. Number two, I am showing you how to make a Greek pita pizza. So I have a pita that I got at Trader Joe's. I have got, let's see here. These are the prepared dips that you're gonna need. The tabbouleh from Trader Joe's. They also have a cauliflower tabbouleh if you wanna add a little bit of more veggies to your pita, and then their garlic spread. These are all plant-based, totally vegan. And then I have some falafel that I made batch cooked. So I have these. They also have at Trader Joe's prepared falafel that in the frozen section you can use. I'm just gonna chop up one of these falafels that I made. This is actually a falafel burger that I made, and I have a bunch of them, so I'm like using that up. Way to use my leftovers. So this is your topping for your pizza, one of your toppings. This is your sauce. Your garlic spread is your sauce for the pizza. So we're gonna open this up. Oops, stay. We're gonna spread. I hope you guys can see all this. It's very hard for me to get my angle just right. I just took a little bit of sauce, or a lot, whatever you like. My kids love this sauce. That might have been too much sauce as I'm putting it on. I'm like, ooh. Make sure your friends and family eat the garlic sauce too, or you'll be having garlic breath and nobody will want to be around you. Yeah, that was a little too much sauce. I'm gonna just put a little over here. Got a little excited about my garlic sauce. Okay, so see that you got your garlic sauce, and then you've got your tabbouleh. You can, again, this is all stuff you can make yourself, but why when you can take a little help from the store? So I'm gonna take a little bit of this tabbouleh, spread that on top, okay. And then I'm gonna take my falafels. That might have been too much, I'm going a little crazy. And there you have a pita pizza, a Greek pita pizza. You can slice this up, you could fold it, you could turn this into a pita pocket. There's a lot of, extrapolations you can have fun with, but I like the pizza. It's fun, it's different, fun. I'm always trying to think of new ways to serve up familiar foods to my kids, because they get, I don't know if it's so much them but me, I get tired of the same old, so I need to change it up. They probably could eat the same thing over and over again, come to think of it, but it's fun. It's a fun way to do it. You could also have them make their own pizza. So, all right, that's the second one I wanted to show you. Now I'm gonna take a look at, let me put this out of over here. Actually, I don't even need the cutting board anymore. This is another dip, and it uses hummus and balela. Balela is something from Trader Joe's. It's got, let's see, what is it? It has black beans and chickpeas. Where is the ingredients? Right in front of me. Okay, chickpeas, tomatoes, black beans, onions, parsley, and some spices. So it's got some mint leaves in it. So it's pretty, I like that it only has a few ingredients, I guess is what I want to say. And it's a great way to jazz up regular hummus. So I could eat hummus. I think I do eat hummus just about every single day. It's a great plant-based snack and way to get protein in. But if I want to spice it up even more, this makes another great party dip for the summer. I'm all about party dips for summer. So I'm picking the organic hummus from Trader Joe's. This is my favorite. I just love the flavor in this hummus. There are so many hummuses, plant-based hummuses to choose from at Trader Joe's, so pick your favorite. This one works really well with the balela because it's a very mild, it doesn't have a lot of other stuff going on because we're gonna use the balela. And we're just gonna stir this in, and this adds, whoops, I'm not doing so well with these, pull out these plastic things. This just adds more protein to the dip and more flavor. So I'm stirring this together, and again, I'm using this as a dip. Serve it poolside. I'm going back to the pool, you guys, back to the beach. It's summer. And I'm just stirring this together, and you can see, oh my God, this looks so good. I think I'm gonna have this for lunch today. So you can serve this as a dip with pita chips, which I've got right here ready to go. Or cucumber, sliced veggies and stuff like that. Pita triangles, if you guys had pita and we're serving that up. But obviously, you could also turn this into a wrap with romaine and cucumber and fresh tomato. There's a lot of ways to serve this up. So that's what I like about these dips from Trader Joe's. It's not just hummus. You can transform it into many different things. So I'm totally eating this for lunch today. So those are 3 that I've got for you. Let me make sure, I have a few I want to tell you else. I've got 5 other ones over on the dip, featuring some veggie wraps, nachos with their Trader Joe's cashew fiesta dip. I've got a burrito with guacamole and pico de gallo. And then I've also got a buffalo chicken wrap using their buffalo style hummus. So if you're interested in more, check those out. I am gonna be back, let's see, I'm heading out for vacation on Sunday, so I'm gonna be out. We're not gonna do a Facebook Live the next couple weeks while I'm gone, but I will be back what date is that? I'm back the 30th, the 28th, I think it is, or anyways, I'll post it on Facebook because I can't keep my calendar straight. But I'm going to be coming to you on Mondays now, doing a Meal Plan Monday series, continuing the same types of content, bringing you plant-based meal ideas for meal planning, for meal prep, all that same old stuff, but I'm just moving to a new time on Mondays, so you can check that out. You can sign up to get notified in the description of this live. You can sign up to get notified when I go live, and I also post all of my lives on my events part of my Vegan Mama page here on Facebook, so you can catch that there. And if you're interested in the other Trader Joe's meal hacks I've been sharing, like I said, I did one on the bagged salads and how to transform them not just to salads, but pizzas and different meal ideas. I also did one on just general Trader Joe's dinner hacks using some of their frozen foods and sauces and some of the family favorites that I cook week to week using those products. So you can check that out over on my website, stephaniedryer.com. I've got the videos posted on YouTube as well as, obviously on Facebook. And then on my website, you can go to the blog section and see the post. You get the video, but you also get all the recipes, and I've got some free downloads in those blog posts as well that you can check out. So I hope this is helpful. I'd love to hear if you'd like to see more of this type of video series content, or if there's anything else I can do to help you bring more meal prep and ease to your kitchen. I'm having so much fun doing these Facebook Lives and showing you how I actually cook and plan for my family, and I'm getting some great feedback. So just keep it coming. Let me know what resonates with you. I would love to share more. And if you're not following me on Instagram, you can join me over there at Vegan Mama, VEEGMAMA, same how I am over here on Facebook. And I've also got some great recipes pinned on Pinterest, also at Vegan Mama. So check me out over there. I'd love to keep connecting with you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in a couple weeks. Bye.